In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the name in your Google Merchant Center, a simple task that can be done in just a few minutes. So let's jump right in and make sure your business profile is perfectly tailored to your needs. First, you'll want to navigate to Google Merchant Center by visiting business.google.com in Merchant Center. If you're not already signed in, head over to the upper right corner of the screen and click on Sign In. Select Merchant Center from the drop-down menu to continue. Now, if you've already logged into your account before, you'll be directed straight to your Merchant Center homepage. If not, don't worry, you'll just need to go through the regular sign-in process to access your account. Once you're in your Merchant Center interface, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a navigation menu there. Scroll down a bit until you find the section labeled Business Info. This is where we're headed next. Clicking on Business Info will take you to a detailed view of your business details. Look for a subsection under Details, which will contain your business details, essentially the key information about your Google Merchant account. In this section, there will be an option labeled Business Details. Go ahead and give it a click. This is where you'll find a lot of crucial information about your business, including the business name. Now, under the business name field, you can directly modify the current name to reflect your new business name. Simply click the field and input your desired name. Be sure to double check your spelling. It's important to maintain a professional image with the correct business name displayed. While you're here, it's a good practice to review the other fields on this page too. Sometimes there are required fields that might need your attention. Ensure everything is filled out accurately and up to date to prevent any hiccups in your account's functionality. Now, with your new business name all set, head over to the Details section of the Merchant Center. There are a couple more clicks to confirm your changes and verify your account settings. First, select Highlight to bring more attention to specific details. You'll also see the Merchant Center ID here. Clicking on the ID section is a good way to confirm you're editing the correct account details. Wrapping this up with just a few clicks has never been easier, so once everything looks good, you're all set. Your Google Merchant Center will now reflect your updated business name, reinforcing your brand's identity on Google. And there you have it. Just a few simple steps and your Google Merchant Center is current, with your business details accurately represented. Thanks for following along, and see you in the next tutorial.